I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inventorying concrete skills: email management, calendar coordination, data entry, CRM use. Once done, craft a focused Upwork profile that states your niche, a tight headline, and 2 ready sample tasks. Make sure to add concise portfolio items and a professional photo. Next, decide pricing, hourly versus fixed, and set a competitive opening rate. This attracts your first clients and builds credibility, so be pragmatic about value while remaining market-aware. You focus on outreach and evidence of competence. Send 5 tailored proposals daily, opening with the client's key pain point and offering a 1-paragraph solution. Meanwhile, take relevant Upwork tests or add 1 to 2 minute demo videos that showcase workflow and speed. This makes why you competent obvious. Once interviews happen, ask clarifying questions, propose a small paid trial, and always request reviews after completion. These steps increase invites and search visibility. You finalize by formalizing terms, define scope, milestones, deliverables, and 1 to 2 revisions. Use Upwork contracts and, if hourly, the time tracker. Invoice promptly for fixed projects. Once the client relationship stabilizes, upsell recurring services or bundle tasks. For scaling, plan a 3-month roadmap. Raise rates incrementally, niche down to higher value services, and automate repetitive work. If you get few responses, revise your top proposal sentence and swap 1 to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.